You know that as a photographer, my biggest issue is to take a portrait of myself, which is something that I thought is unique for me, and it's a weird thing that I have with myself that I can't take good photos. And this whole YouTube channel really forced me to deal with this unlove for selfies. And I tried to research that, and why is that, why I feel so uncomfortable in front of the camera, why other people feel like this. And I saw a lot of videos on YouTube, but I saw this one TED Talk, which I will link below, which really amazed me. And it was a woman who she gave 5 reasons why we hate our selfies and how to fix that. So first of all, there are the obvious things that I know, and maybe you don't, so I will just share them real quick, which is when we take a selfie, we see not the mirror reflection that we used to see in the mirror, like when we brush our teeth, or we see ourselves in a reflection, then we see our left side on the left side and our right side on the right side. When we're taking portraits, we see absolutely the opposite, and it looks a bit weird because we are asymmetrical, most of us, on the face, so it looks a little disturbed, and there's something that bothers us. And another thing that you said, I'm not going to list everything, but just what catch my ear, is that we're so used to fixate on the bad features of us, like the double chin, everything that we don't like about us, and other people don't even notice sometimes, or even if they notice, they're not giving it such a big meaning when they see your photo as you do. So when I see a photo of myself, or even a video, which is worse sometimes, I try to really overlook and not fixate on what is bothering me, because then I know I will upload absolutely nothing, not a photo, not a video. And you know what, I take it back. I think it's easier to go through it as a video, to upload myself as a video, than in a photo, because maybe in a video you can see a couple of sides of who I am, and to create a picture in your head and not just see me look like this, like weird, big forehead, every features that I don't like about myself, that come across really sharp in a photo, but in a video maybe it's a little more delicate. I don't know, just something that I thought about right now. And I'm not a big portrait fan, not of myself and not taking other people's portrait. I'm shooting with a 28mm focal length on the Leica Q3, and I have the Ricoh GL3X, which is 40mm, but still I'm not taking many portraits. I'm not feeling so comfortable taking portraits of people. It's just something that I have with myself. But another thing that she said is that, she told everyone to take their phone out. I don't know if you saw it or not. It's really cool. And open the camera app. And then she told everyone to take a selfie from the top. And everyone does that. She called it photo number 1. And then she told everyone to hold the camera right here at the chest, look down and smile and take another photo. And that's photo number 2. Now you can imagine the results. So she asked them, obviously, which photo they liked the most. Everyone said photo number 1. And she asked, which photo would you upload to social media? Of course, photo number 1. And then she asked, which photos of the 2 you think your children, your grandchildren, and your pets see you the most? And everyone said photo number 2, because they see it from below. And that's a funny thought, of course, to think about. But the point is that the people we love doesn't care that we have all of those flaws that we see on ourselves. They don't care about anything that we fixate on, whether it's something outside or like an accent or something that is bothering us the most. They just want to see you as much as possible. And I think about my grandparents and how much, like right now we had the holidays and we took a lot of photos. I'm so happy that I'm lucky enough to have all of the photos from my family, and so I can look on in the future. And I don't care, like, from the wrinkles and everything, that I know that my grandma will think that it's like not looking so good, but you get my point. I really enjoy looking at my family's photos, like, and my friends and everyone that's close to me. But somehow when I see myself in a family photo, I'm just getting like horrified from how I look and what is this pose and what is this smile, and just fix it on those little things. So I just decided to not delete any more photos that I don't like about myself if I'm in a situation that I want to remember. And I don't know if it's something that affects you or not, but if it is, maybe it will help you like be more aware at least of the fact that most of us doesn't like the way we looked at the photos, and maybe just give yourself a little break and maybe take a closer look at the photo and let yourself know exactly what is it that you don't like. Maybe you can change it in the next frame. Maybe I don't mean like change yourself. I mean like maybe take a better angle that's more flattering to you, or maybe, you know, maybe work on something that is bothering you. I don't know if what is the situation, but you get my point. Just awareness to this situation, and just for you know that your family members would love to take more photos with you. That's my guess. And I know a lot of people don't like to take photos at all, no matter what, but I believe that it's such a great power that every one of us has a phone in a camera in our phone, in our pockets. So it's very, very nice that we can like take memory and document ourselves every single day. Also, another thing that she said and stuck with me is that body and photography are not things that are looking for beauty. You know, body is just some machine that keeps us alive, okay? And photography it's a machine that capture a moment, a fraction of a moment in time. And I'm sorry that it turned up to be like a summary of her video, because I'm repeating some things that she said, but I really think maybe it's maybe you didn't run into it, so I will let you know. Anyway, photography capture time and our body keeps us alive, and we somehow decided that the combination of both should be pretty and nice and fun to watch. And it's not always the case, you know. We're just documenting a point in time of our life, and of course we're getting older, we're getting all of those bad features over time, and it's not a reason to stop document our life for our family and for ourselves, I think. And anyway, it's just such a great power that I think we should all take more advantage of, and not just posting stupid selfie like duck face to social media, which I don't do, but you know, just document ourselves with the people we love in an environment that we want to remember. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video.